Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing my GOT7 Eyes on You album. Only got the U version, but I'm very excited. I didn't look in here, y'all. All I did was pull off this top part. So now that's what I'm about to do. So let me take it out. Oh, it came double wrapped. Yeah, it said new GOT7 Eyes on You U version CD plus postcard plus 3 postcards, folded poster, pre-order benefits, free gifts. So yeah, I did pre-order this because of the benefits. Because I saw what the girl got and I was like, I want that too. So I'm gonna open this up. Woo! Alright, the first thing I take out is this. I think this is a poster. I'm gonna put this to the side though. The next thing I take out is this lookbook. Boom. And here's the album thing. Wow. I got this specific version because I wanted it. I like the photos. Wow, look at Batman. Oh my god, look at Batman. Ah. So it's the back and this is the front. Wow. So I'm gonna open it right now, but I don't want to look at like the postcards and stuff. Let me take that out. Is that in the back? Yeah, it's at the back. I don't want to look at it, so I'm just gonna slide these out. Okay, they're all face down and the poster out. Oh, yikes! I got a glimpse. But yeah, this is how it looks after you take off the little plastic wrapping. That's how the inside looks. Sorry, this won't be like a full on. I won't show every page because some girl on YouTube already did it. Let's see what poster I got as like the back thing. Ooh! I got. Well, this is how it looks also. Wow! And here's the back. I'm so happy. And here's the poster that I got. So I got Yu-Young, Bam Bam, Jin Young, and Jackson. See? Yeah, I can't wait to put this up. Ooh. Yo, Bam Bam was a snack. So I already know how the pictures will look because I saw the girl do a video on this. But yeah, I'll just show some pictures. Here's JB. JB? Okay. I mean, I don't think he looked bad with his mullet. Here's Mark. Ah. I got this version because I like the way the pictures look the most. Here's Mark and Jin Young. Yeah, I'm not gonna show every page. I'm just gonna show the members. Jin Young again. I also ordered the NCT Empathy album. Jackson. He's my best friend, Bias. Oh, my makeup look good today. Jackson and Young J.
I don't see how that should be working.
So I'm guessing Bam Bam is next. Yeah. Bam Bam. He's so cute, yo. Bam Bam is my bias. We didn't know. Oh my god. It touched my makeup. And it got a little bit on there. Bam Bam and Yu-Gi-Oh. It's kind of hot in here. Yu-Gi-Oh, he's so cute. Yu-Gi-Oh is a bias wrecker. My nose is glowing. And here is a picture of JB, Jackson, Jin Young, and Mark. Oh my god, I said I'm not going to show y'all every page, but I feel like I am showing you guys every page. This picture right here, Bam Bam, Yu-Gi-Oh, and Young J. Almost messed up. Yeah, them again. It's also some random pictures like this. It look good though.
Dad, we made it down there fast as shit.
And there are some Polaroids. That's JB and Yu-Gi-Oh. Polaroid of JB and Mark. I love this.
Girl.
Alright, Mark.
That's a lot.
Jackson and Mark. Markson. Jin Young and Jackson. Young J and Jin Young. Yo, I love these photos. And Bam Bam and Young J. Polaroids. Okay. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm not gonna go through the whole thing. Like I said, it's just a bunch of pictures. Here's some of them. I don't feel like pulling them out. It's a lot of pictures. And here's some questions and answers by them. But I obviously cannot speak or read Korean. So I don't understand. I don't know what they're saying, because all of this is in Korean. Like, no English words at all. Banner said GOT7. That's English. Also, some other stuff. They thanks whoever. And yeah, JYP staff. And here's the CD. Woo! Y'all like this part right here. That's cool. Wow. Oh, look at you guys. Oh. Wow. I'm impressed. Oh, now we're going to go through the lookbook. I'm being careful of the postcards. So, oh, okay. This will happen. This is what you get when you pre-order. This lookbook. Oh my god, I got a Yu-Gi-Oh Polaroid thing. Look, it's so cute. I forgot this would come in there. I like Yu-Gi-Oh. Ah. Here's some more pictures. It's just some extra pictures of them. Oh, this is cute. They look good. Ooh. And just like portrait shots of Michael Jackson, Jin Young, and Young J.
Any left for 200, so you can get
Bam Bam and Yu-Gi-Oh. Oh my god. I can't let this touch my face because I'm not wearing a matte lipstick. Here's some more photos of all of them. Ooh, I'm so happy right now. Some more photos. Oh, this is my lip again. More photos. These two are blank. I don't know why. Okay. Here's the look dance code. I'm gonna cover it up though. I don't want y'all to use it.
Run my check.
For V Live. I don't got a V Live.
For any girl that got edges, text one nigga that don't wear weave. Run my check.
Okay. So we're gonna look at the poster first, and then we're gonna look at the postcards. I'm so excited for this. So the poster that came with it is. Oh my god! I think I got some extra postcards. But wow, I'm sorry if you get. It's mainly them. They are all at the bottom. I'm sorry if you can't see. And the top is just sky. So I'm just gonna fold this back up. It's big. Okay. So these dropped out of the I didn't really see her face. But these dropped out of the poster. This is a Jax. Wait, who is this? Who is this? I don't know who this is. I'm gonna put that to the side. This is a Jackson one. Who is this one? And this one is all of them. Like, never ever one. That's cute. But let me show y'all the postcards, okay? So, oh, it said on the back. Well, this one is Jin Young. Look at it. It's so cute. He's so cute. And this one is Yu-Gi-Oh! Ah! He looks so... If I keep getting Yu-Gi-Oh! I swear to God, I'm gonna jump off this building. Which one is this? This better be Bam Bam. Jackson! I'm so mad I didn't get no Bam Bam one. No Bam Bam one at all. Well, I like this Yu-Gi-Oh! One. At least I got all 3 different versions. But let me see who this is. Who is this? I think this Jackson. I'm still trying to figure out who this is. Who is this? It's hard. He's hard to recognize. So this is where I put the posters. My Young J1. And my GOT7 one. This one is mainly the sky. But it's okay. Yeah, this is where I put the posters above my bed. We're back. That's how they look right now. I'll get closer. I'm on my bed right now. That's how I'm close. It's Young J. And here is GOT7. I'm so mad. I did not get a memo one. Also, this is a sticker. I realized. This Yu-Gi-Oh! One. Where is my Bam one? And if you know who this is, comment down below. I don't know who this is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Hopefully, when my NCT one come, I get a Mark postcard. That's all I want, a Mark postcard. If I get anybody else, it's okay. I just don't want, I don't want Taeyong, because my best friend like him. But I want this, I want the Mark one. I wanted the Bam Bam one. Oh, I'm so sad. Well, thanks for watching.